yabo lento uthi uNkulunkulu noSathane zowu2 lezo zinto zikuwena. Akho umuntu ovimba success yakho la, akho umuntu umenjeleni yakho la, akho umuntu okuloya la, uloya wena kuphela nengqondo yakho. Finish. Phuma nje kulowo mqondo lo uthi uzozonda abantu. Asikho singaphandle singaphumelela la ngaphandle ukuthi wena usinikeza amandla. Lonke lento uthi yenziwa abantu kuwena, wena oyenza kuwena yourself. Abantu bakusiza bakulekelela ukuthi uzidicilele phansi. At any given point in time lento uthi uNkulunkulu noSathane ikhona ikuwena. Those are two operating forces. When uthema neforce eyodwa at any given point. Yabo, every time you have to do what you need to do. Iba khona into ethi ngeke namhlanje ngiyanqena, engeke namhlanje kukuthi. Angithi yabo liyana namhlanje, but we have managed to show up. Ngithi yabo, we have managed to show up because we know exactly consciously that is how the subconscious mind is programmed. Ukuthi develop those neural pathways athini I show up in everything. So you make sure ukuthi you develop the evidence for your mind. That is the video engade ngiyikhipha nini izolo. So asikho ke sitha la akekho umuntu phambi kwani kwesuccess yakho ngaphandle kwakho. Ngithi yabo ngoba wena yourself yonke lento oyibona ngaphandle ila kuwe. Uma ngabe wena ungayilapha kuwe uzobona ukuthi ngaphandle lento leyo ayikho. Yabo, so you need to stop hating people. You need to stop ukuthi yini fix yourself, just fix your life. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani noma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. At any given point in time kuwena kuhlezi kunama forces, wena operate ngama forces. Yabo umqondo wakho lo nawo inhloso yawo ukuthi mind is for you to survive. Umqondo wakho ngenza noma yini for you to survive. Ufuna safety for you, yabo, ne comfort. That's it. So if you want to stretch and break the boundaries and expand, umqondo wakho uzothi no, ngiyasaba. Yabo, ngiyasaba. No, you are comfortable here. Stay there. Yabo, you are right here. Awufuni vele ushintsho. Awufuni into ongayazi, awufuni into entsha umqondo. Yabo. So that is why people, they are always in stagnation. Why? They have fear. Yento abangayazi. Bane fear nje ukubreak ama boundaries. Bafuna ukuthi balobe hleli intweni abayaziyo. Babe comfortable kuyona. And then bese be blame ama circumstances nama situation because they want to conform to into safe. Yabo. They don't want to risk. Even in schools, la ufundiswa khona ntwana, you have to avoid ukufeyila. We are punished for making mistakes. While wena, that's how you expand. That's how you learn. That's how you grow. Yabo, by immersing yourself and burn yourself, figure things out with what works, what doesn't work. Yabo, ama mistakes. Yabo, people have not failed enough. That is why they are so weak. Yabo. Because they've never failed so much to the point ukuthi ba develop and to resilience, courage. Yabo, babe strong, ba weak. That's what is happening because they have been trained and programmed ukuthi they need to run away from failure, from pain. Yet pain yona umuntu akhula ngayo at the same time. Even though you don't need to burn yourself ukuthi uyifaka kwi-pain ngamaboom, but you need to push the boundaries. I-comfort zone uphume kuyona. Yabo, every time when you need to do what you have to do what you need to do. Uyazi bethu kuzoba khona i-force say not today. Today uyabona njani namhlanje liyana, yabona liyaduma. What if kwenze ukuthi you know yini i-old self lo yona, the old self, that when ubona ukuthi old self njani, that self okwazi ukuthi a manifest lo reality is a mental entity. Nama thought forms and thought patterns that are keeping you kule level okuyona, that are producing that reality that you see, that you find yourself in. There are thought patterns, beliefs that are ingrained in your subconscious mind. So if you are trying to be a better version, if you try to break the boundaries and push the boundaries, get out of your comfort zone, kuba khona izinto eziqhamukayo ezizokuphazamisa. Yabo, lezo zinto lezo sifuna ukuthi overcome. I-trick leyo sukuletha i-old self kuwena ukuthi give up, ngoba ayikho into ethi uma ulwa nayo ingalwi, yonke into olwa nayo iyalwa back. So lo old self wena ufuna ukuba new self, the version 2.0. So that old self that you are fighting will always give you ama tricks fana noma uthi wena usuyekile ukubhema seqhamuka inkinga nje ngaka ezokwenza ukuthi vele nje kuba ngathi komuntu okushaya ngepani la vele uqaleke same time yabo uthola ukuthi usume for 2 mhlambe days noma nje vele uthi nje angisaphuzi manje vele nje umenye umcimbini vele nje uthothi kuyafiwa nje straight iplagi ingangamanzi okuphala ikhumba vele ubonta ke ngiyabuhlaba ke la straight ukugcina uphinde uyiblame futhi wena yes uphinde uyiblame ingqondo idevelop ilokhu ngani evidence ukuthi wena wena you are not a serious person yabo ngoba wena vele iyakubuka nje ilento ade ngisho iyakubuka nje ingqondo ukuthi operate so you cannot tell yourself ukuthi no I'm successful this actually ukuthi no wena you know ukuthi wena if uthe uzokwenza into awuyenzi yabo so that yabo ukuthi ngikuvezela nje mina ama signs ukuthi nje uyonke lento lo uwe yabo akekho umuntu omphambi kwenje yakho wena ayikho umuntu ovala into zakho la sivalo wena indlela yakho ukucabanga indlela yakho obona ngayo izinto yabo akekho asikho isithe esikhulu esingaphandle sithe esikhulu wena lama forces awuthulo uNkulunkulu noSathane ukhuluma ngayo azizona izinto engaphandle lezi zinto ezikuwena at any given point wena ifear ilack yabo ilezo zinto nje lezo noku lack of self-confidence, self-doubt, self-criticism, all those things. Umunazo la emqondweni wakho is create discord la, and you don't see yourself as someone who is deserving and as someone who can go up to the point ukuthi sky is the limit. You don't see yourself there. Angithi unento ethi abantu abanemali ngama billions, multi-billionaires. Unento esivele those people konke abayenza shady and sketchy and dodgy. So yet yena kodwa uyayifuna imali at the same time. Are you not now serving two gods? You cannot serve two masters. Two masters? Yebo, you can never ever. Ngeke. Wena uthi kunento shady and dodgy abayenzayo but in the same token uthi futhi wena uthi uyayifuna futhi lezo zinto lezo. Kuyashayisana lento leyo. Iyashayisana. Yabo. So every time you need to do what you have to do what you need to do. Khona izinto ezoqhamuka. Lezi zinto zimele ukuthi overcome wena. Funa ukuthi overcome. Hayi ukuthi sifuna ukuthi chema nazo ukuthi namhlanje kuyabanda ngeke ngize ngiyenze lento namhlanje kuyashisa ngeke ngize ngiyenze le nanini ngithi ingqondo yakho ifuna ukuthi ube comfortable ingenza noma yini ukuthi wena ube safe yabo ingenza noma yini angithi ayinqena ukucreate lefear yokuthi lento izofaila ngeke izilunga icreate lo fear. That is a thought pattern, that is a thought form, yes, but when you have to be able to watch it, that is not true. But when you are not those thought forms, you are not your mind, you are, that's what sees the mind thinking. You are aware of those things. Just ask yourself real questions and relevant questions, because if you ask yourself relevant questions, you are going to get relevant answers. If you ask yourself wrong questions, well, you are going to get wrong answers. Why? Suppose good why? Yabo? Ask yourself why until there is no why this can't be asked anymore. Why? Why I think this way? Why I think I'm going to fail? Why I think I don't deserve this? Why I think someone else is going to thrive? Why I don't think I can be a multi-billionaire? Why I don't think so? Why I don't think my marriage, if I get married, I am not going to divorce? Ask yourself those questions. Why? And then you'll see underneath the surface what's there. It's not real. You'll figure out what is not real. Maybe it's based on evidence that's not even applicable to you. It's a belief. A belief iforma i-experience, i-observation, yabo, ibese create a belief. Sometimes you take even izinto ezingekho even applicable kuwena bese uyayibelieve, yabo. Ngobani? Sometimes uthola ukuthi izona izinto ezi-immerse kuzona lezo zi-create a belief system very very bad for you, ngoba wena ufocus entweni e-wrong vele. Lezi right of focus ile kuzona. Yeah, akithi yabo ukuthi zonke lezi zinto lezi it's a proof yokuthi the problem is within you, is la escope, stays. law of mentalism. Danko.